Hey learners, let's dive into a detailed guide with practical tips to master effective impromptu speaking. Listen carefully and clarify. When you receive the impromptu speaking prompt, listen attentively to grasp the topic fully. If any uncertainties arise, don't hesitate to seek clarification from the moderator or audience. Take a moment to gather thoughts. Before launching into your response, take a brief moment to gather your thoughts. Use this time to brainstorm key points and structure your speech mentally. Even a few seconds of reflection can significantly enhance the clarity and coherence of your response. Structure your speech. Begin your impromptu speech with a clear introduction outlining the main points you'll address. Succinctly state each key point and provide supporting examples or reasoning to bolster your arguments. Conclude with a concise summary reinforcing your main message. Use transitions and signposts. Integrate transitions and signposts throughout your speech to guide the audience smoothly from one point to the next. Phrases like, firstly, additionally, or, in conclusion, signal shifts in topic, aiding listeners in following your train of thought. Maintain eye contact and speak clearly. Establish rapport and convey confidence by maintaining eye contact with your audience. Engage with different audience members by directing your gaze around the room. Speak clearly and audibly, enunciating each word for comprehension. Adjust your pace to maintain rhythm and emphasize key points effectively. Handle nerves and build confidence. While it's natural to feel nervous, manage anxiety by focusing on your breathing and maintaining a calm mindset. Remember, it's okay to pause and gather your thoughts if needed. Visualize success and approach each impromptu speaking opportunity with a positive attitude, recognizing it as a chance to grow and improve. By implementing these tips and practicing regularly, you'll enhance your ability to deliver compelling impromptu speeches with confidence and clarity.